Hi, boys and girls. It's time for Sounds with Mr. Slates. If you remember right, over the last several lessons, we've been learning about a sound that we make by sticking out our tongues. Can you remember what letter or letters work together to make that and th sound? If you said TH, you are correct. TH can combine to make both a and a th sound. We have not done our alphabet song in quite some time, so we're going to review our alphabet song today. None of the letters will stay hidden, and all of them will be ready for you to see. Do you remember the tune? Follow along with me. Here we go. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, A, P, Q, R, S, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Nice work. All right, let's do our next sound activity. Today, all of our words have to do with things. These are things. Remember how this works. I say a word that has two parts, and then I'm going to take the first part away, and you say what's left. Are you ready? Say firewood. Without fire, what's left? Wood. Sunflower. Without sun, what's left? Flower. Say volleyball. Without volley, what's left? A ball. Great job. Say sunglasses. Without sun, what's left? Glasses. Say fireworks. Without fire, what's left? Works. Say thunderstorm. Without thunder, what's left? Storm. Great job. Say waterfall. Without water, what's left? Fall. Last one. Say racetrack. Without race, what's left? Track. All right, for our last sound activity, we're going to do some deleting. Remember, deleting means taking something off. I need Mario's help though. Are you ready for Mario? Here he comes. Hi, Mario. Hi. All right, don't forget, I say a word, you and Mario echo, and then we're going to delete or take off the first sound, and you say what's left. Here we go. You ready, Mario? Say side. Side. Without s, what's left? I'd. I'd. Good job. Excuse me. Say whiz. Whiz. Without wah, what's left? Is. Good job. Say pain. Pain. Without pa, what's left? Ain. Ain. Yeah. All right. Say chin. Chin. Without ch, what's left? In. Did you hear that, boys and girls? What's left is in. Last one. Ready? Say fizz. Fizz. Without f, what's left? Is. Is. Awesome job. I'd like to leave you with this last picture. Mario sleeping with his buddy, the cat. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.